Hello everyone, my name is Aditya. This is my submission to Lightning Hackathon. So our project is Dice Poker using API 3 QRNG. We are using API 3 QRNG for generating random numbers. So basically our game involves two contracts. Contract 1, which is for random numbers. So using QRNG we are generating an array of 5 numbers between 5 to 6 for the die. Okay, your first contract. So this is my first contract. See the random numbers. Here uses API 3 to generating the random numbers. Also, you can see the size is 5 because array of 5 numbers only and between 1 to 6. Because dice have only 6 pieces, so we are limited to generate the numbers between 1 to 6 only. Okay, so that's our first contract. As you can see, everything has been uh, already set the request parameters, and also you can see this is sponsor wallet which I generated just few time ago. Wallet. Okay, so let's move on to our second contract, which is dice poker contract. So my second contract is dice poker.full contract. So we have imported the random number or the QRNG contract and call the set call the generate array function from our random number contract. Okay. So these are all the functions which are in games contract. You can see the decide winner, join game, the player will join, roll dice, which will directly call the function from QRNG contract. Game started, which returns true or false. Final score, get winner, player one will show the player one press the number of rolls left, dice roll left. If for player two, the random number which has been generated. Okay, let's go. Basically, player one, player one will be the contract deployer, and this is player two in my different account. So number of rolls are three. Okay, so let's roll the dice. Currently, you can see there are three transactions. Okay, this is my random number QRNG contract. It is already deployed. So we have only three transactions. Okay, you can see tunnel transaction. Let's roll the dice. Okay. So let's see what outcome has been generated. So view dice outcome. So this is our first outcome of it. Okay. So if I go there, just reload it. You can see it has directly called the function to generate the number, or we can just, as you can see, so this was just 7 ago, which I called the roll dice function. It says just call our that function. Okay, so for the static call, it gives a it generates a random number. So if I go there, I only have two rolls left. So just let's again roll out dice. So let's see, we have what the outcome. Ace, queen, 10, and two aces. Let's roll time. Only the second and third number will pass 0. So this array means which number to which dice roll, which not, as the rule followed in dice poker game. Okay, 0 means to not to roll, 1 means to roll. Let's roll it again. Second and third dice only. Okay, let's see what outcome we get this time. As you can see, A Q A J Q A A. Okay. Let's roll again this time. Also, again the second and third. Still because we didn't get our without. We need more aces to be in five of a kind. Okay. Let's see what outcome. Okay, I think we get the same outcome this time. So you can see our rules are 0, so final outcome is this is 1. Okay, final outcome. So now let's play 2 will play. Again, if play 1 try to rolls again, it will give an gas estimation error because chances are over. So let's roll for player 2. Let's see what he got. Take time. Okay, play 2. So that was here. This is jack, jack. So I can see our second, third, fourth, and fifth outcome are pretty good. We can make in full house here. Let me change the first case. I don't want case. It is giving error because the sender 1 is trying the request here. I select the sender 2. Will roll. Be done. And it's AJQAA. Okay, sorry, it's player 1. Select player 2. Change the outcome of player 2. It's QJJTT. I'll again do the same because I need think one jack or an a 10 for full house. Again, player 2 will cause one more chance is left. This is the last chance for player 2. Let's see what he gets this time. Full GT. Oh, we got a full house. J, J, 10. Okay. So as per the rule, we can see it's a full house here and it's an 3 of a kind here. So 3 of a kind is lower than full house, so player 2 should win. See what the final score are. You can see the final score for player 3 is player 2 is higher, 6, and for player 1 it's only 4. And you can see also the final outcome. If I decide winner, I'll get player 2 as a winner because player 2 has win. Player 2 got a full house. Its winner is player 2 address. So you can see the player 2 address. Also we can see all our calls for generating an array here directly. Wait. So you can see the 22-second, 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. These are all the calls for generating the random number array. You can see also you can see the logs. You can see the different array which has been generated. You can see there are 14 logs since we have called it multiple times. So this was the last array 14623. We can also verify it from here. Uh, get generated data 14623. Okay, so you can see all our the request. So it's basically an on-chain random number generator, which gives us a proof that no user is generating the random number. It's basically a quantum which has generating